Today friends, I am talking about new Nissan Terrano 2019, its overview, features and specification. So let's start. Let's talk about new Nissan Terrano overview. Firstly, this vehicle launched in 2019 with a body type of SUV. By that, you can conquer any road condition by this SUV with 22 features you are getting with a boot space of 475 liters and with fuel tank capacity you getting 50 liters. Secondly, by comfort you getting seating capacity up to 5 and with 6 color variants you are getting. Talking about some important features, so first cruise control. It is an important feature. By using cruise control you fix the constant speed of vehicle so you not push the accelerator pedal again and again. Second, hill assist control. It is a necessary feature that give you a time to push accelerator pedal when you stop while climbing, so your SUV not go back when you climbing a hill. Third, anti-pinch driver window. That feature not close your window until obstacle in a way of window. Now if we talking about some key specification of this SUV, so it start from engine displacement that range from 1500cc to 1600cc, that for petrol and diesel engines. Transmission type you getting that is manual and automatic, that depend on variants which you are buying. Mileage you getting that is 13 to 20 km per liter, depend on condition whether they are good or not. Okay, next thing, drive type you getting that is two wheel front drive, that common for all variants. Talking about its price, so it start from 10 to 15 lakhs, that is ex showroom price. So if you are interested in to knowing more about new Nissan Terrano 2019 features and specification, just visit our website, that link in description down below.